The next thing that you need to put in place is they need a back well. And when I say back well, that means you need to be able to ask them to back. Walk them up here, hold. So my calves are on him. Now I'm gonna start wiggling my spurs towards him. I'll want, whenever I ask him back, that he keeps backing until I ask for something different. But if you look here, whenever I'm backing him, look how there's 2 reins and 2 legs touching him. Very important. Some people wave their legs way out here and they're not touching with their calves. Well, then you can't turn because he won't feel that leg come off of you. So you gotta make sure that your legs are staying on him.